Jimbo Chapter 4. This story is dedicated to everyone who welcomes change with a smile and finds beauty in new beginnings. After a long, snowy winter in the north, something new is happening. The breeze feels warmer, the sky shines brighter, and even Jimbo's icy hill looks a little different. Here's the fourth story in the Jimbo series. Join Jimbo the snow-nosed polar bear as he discovers the first signs of spring and learns that change can be something wonderful. Chapter 4. The First Signs of Spring. The northern sun rose earlier than usual that morning, bathing the snow in a soft golden glow. Jimbo blinked awake in his cozy den, rubbing his paws sleepily. He said, sniffing the air. It smells different, kind of fresh and flowery. Outside, the snow didn't crunch quite as much under his paws. Tiny drips of water trickled down a nearby ice block, making cheerful plink, plink, plink sounds. Kelly, the snowy owl, swooped down from a tall fir tree. "Good morning, Jimbo. Do you feel it? The air's getting warmer and the first signs of spring are here." Jimbo's eyes widened. Spring? But my ice hill? What happened to my favorite sliding place? Frank the penguin waddled up beside them, smiling. "Change is part of our world, Jimbo. The ice melts, the flowers bloom, and then before we know it, winter returns again. It's all a big circle," said Kelly. Still, Jimbo felt a little sad as he looked at his hill. Water shone on the edges, and a cheerful stream trickled down the slope where he used to slide. "No more belly slides for a while, huh?" he said softly. Kelly the snowy owl perched on his shoulder. "Maybe there's a new kind of fun waiting for you." Just then, a gentle humming sound drifted through the air. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Jimbo turned to see bright yellow bumblebees floating near some tiny purple flowers peeking through the snow. "Oh, look!" Jimbo gasped. "The flowers are waking up!" He watched as little snowbuds opened their petals wide, smiling at the sun. Butterflies fluttered from rock to rock, and nearby, baby foxes tumbled playfully in the soft, patchy snow. Jimbo's heart lifted. I guess spring is full of fun. After all, it is just a different kind. Frank the penguin, Kelly the snowy owl, and Jimbo the young bear decided to explore together. They slid on gentle patches of slush, splashed through puddles, and helped animals build new spring homes in soft nests, burrows, and cozy spots between rocks. When the sky blushed pink at sunset, Jimbo stood on what was left of his ice hill. A single snowflake, the very last of winter, drifted down and landed on his nose. It sparkled one last time before melting into a tiny drop of water. Jimbo smiled softly. "Goodbye, winter. See you again soon." Then he turned toward the new blossoms swaying in the breeze. "Hello, spring. Let's be friends too." His friends cheered, and they all danced under the warming sky, where winter's sparkle met spring's sunshine in perfect harmony. The moral lesson of the story: change can feel strange, but every new season brings fresh beauty and new adventures. When we welcome change, we grow too. Jimbo learned that even when things change, there's always a new joy waiting ahead. Jimbo discovers that even when winter melts away, spring brings its own kind of magic, fun, and new beginnings. This chapter gently teaches children to welcome change and find joy in every new season. If you loved Jimbo and the first signs of spring, tap like, share the magic with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more warm and frosty adventures with our lovable snow-nosed bear. Thank you.